Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome on my channel. Today we're going to talk about music. When I created this channel in 2009, my aim was to promote African music, especially music from Togo, from Ghana, from the Ewe people. Because at that time, on YouTube, on the internet, there was not a lot of content about Ewe people, about music from Togo, from Ghana, and so on. So this is what I did. But today, what I'm going to say, or what I'm going to talk about, is how traditional songs have been turned into money-making songs, into money-making music, and it also deals with Christianity. If you go on my channel, you will see that I did a video about those traditional songs that were turned into Christian songs. So today, when you look at things, you will see that there is a lot more of Bobobo groups or Akpese groups, also Agbaja groups. There are a lot of them now. But when you listen to the music that are playing, a lot of them have this Christian influence, which is normal because when you look at things, we lost, or for a lot of us, we lost our traditional spirituality. So if you look at people, you will see that a lot of people are Christians or Muslims and so on. So in a way, it is normal that the music they play is related to their religion, because there is a link with your religion and the activities, or at least there should be a link or relation with your spirituality, your religion, and your everyday activities. But what I'm saying is that when our traditional music were played back in the time, 50 years ago, 100 years ago, and even before, music had a purpose. For example, if we take Agbaja, Agbaja was a war dance, or is still, if you can say so, but was mainly used as a war dance, as a preparation for soldiers before war. And I think that Agbaja was also used as a strengthening and empowering dance. And you also add that spiritual aspect with Afan, with the Ewe people spirituality. And this spirituality also add spatial rhythm. So music had a purpose. And if we take Bobobo, which is more recent music that was created in the 1940s, I believe that the first Bobobo songs were patriotic songs, were love songs, were sung with a meaning, with proverbs, with, at least they were talking about everyday life, everyday issues, and so on. So what I'm basically saying is that the purpose of this music was changed with colonialism, with those religion, and so on. But there were stages, because at first, foreign religion as Christianity did not accept all traditional music, because Westerners white Christians were saying that our music was demonic, that our music, our traditional music was demonic, that it wasn't good. So you will, at this time, you wouldn't hear any drums or African drums playing at church. But with time, those Christians accepted our music, and now if you go to churches, you will see that people are using drums, people are singing, um, traditional are playing traditional rhythm and so on. So our music or rhythm have been accepted into Christianity, though the purpose and the deeper meaning of a rhythm has been changed. Because music is spiritual. Music is very spiritual. Sometimes you can listen to a rhythm, though you will not understand what the people are singing or are saying, but just the fact of hearing the music, the feeling that you have is special because you like the beats, you like the rhythm, though you don't understand the meaning. The rhythm is powerful. So this is why today that you will listen to today's music, and though what they are saying is total bullshit, what they are saying is crap, what they are saying is nonsense, but just because the rhythm is good, just because the beat is good, you will see that people are dancing, people are, vibing through those rhythm. So as I said earlier, music, and especially money making music, its purpose is affecting us. Because when you look at bobobo groups, you will see that many of them that perform today, most of them, they are doing it for the money. And when people do things for money, sometimes they are not as passionate as they should be. Because when you listen to those groups, you will see that the way they sing is not like back in the time. No, sometimes when you hear them, you will have the feeling that they sing like robots, because their voices are not, they don't match together. They don't. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is that they don't have that energy. They don't have this talent that our forefathers, that our ancestors used to have uh, when they played their music. Is it because the message of the music has been changed, and when you talk about Christianity all the time, you don't have that powerful um, power, or you don't have that powerful um, spirits, or when you do things for money, you are not passionate, you are not being true, you're not being truthful with the music that you are playing, and maybe people can feel that. And I am quite sad when I hear that, or when I see that many of today Agbaja music that you will listen is not about um, issues of life, or proverbs, or history about every people, or tradition, or culture. It is about Christianity. And I talked about Agbaja, but if we take other rhythm as Gau, as Ziggy, and others, we see that all of them, all of those people turn our traditional music into Christian songs. And it is very sad because we are losing we are losing the deeper meaning of the songs. Because when you listen to old Agbaja songs, if you are not well into tradition, you will not understand the songs. Although you can speak the Ewe language very well, you will not understand the song because they add this ability, this talent to use proverbs and this ability to use deeper meanings in the songs, which is spiritual. And if I take the example of this Agbaja from Amlogan, after the Nigba that is on my channel. Mano yo me zonka leo yo me nyamagano mano yo me nyamagano mano yo me zonka leo yo me nyamagano mano yo me nyamagano ae gbekuto neva ae gbekuto neva gbeke kuto maman done gbeke gbekuto neva mano yo me zonka leo yo me nyamagano mano yo me nyamagano ala veje ma itoshire ma je khonyeme zere wan khoma love je ma vaya to chigewomlo. So when those songs, and this music particularly is, people really like it, because in these songs you will not have any Christianity influence in it. And I think that this is what people are looking for. Even though when they listen to a Christian or gospel Agbaja with the today's choirs, with the Joe Metal revival choir, people like it, but it's not as deep as this traditional Agbaja from Angloga. So people, I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to insult Christians or African Christians and all those things. What I'm basically saying is that all music is powerful. All traditional music or traditional rhythm are powerful. So if we want to reconnect with this power, we need to go back to the real stuff. We need to go back to ancestors' real music and stop following foreign influence. So feel free to like this video, to share it with people, and if you have any comment to make, feel free. Thank you and see you soon.